Hi there and welcome back to this European Schoolnet Academy Games in Schools course. This course has been supported by the Interactive Software Federation of Europe, who of course represent Europe's video game industry. Just like previous courses, this course is split into 6 modules. Module 1, why use computer games? Module 2, using games for thematic learning. Module 3, learning games. Module 4, what can we learn from games? Module 5, designing games. And Module 6, why is it important to teach about games? We're just about to start Module 2, which is all about using games for thematic learning. In this short introduction video, I'm just going to be sharing with you some of the things that we're going to be talking about in the other videos in this series. The first video that you'll watch will be a brief introduction to what we actually mean by thematic and project-based learning and why are these types of pedagogies important in the classroom in order for your children to reach learning outcomes. And then we're going to be looking at 2 different case studies. The first case study will be on the Olympic Games and how we can use the Olympic Games, in particular a computer game of the Olympic Games, in order to support thematic and project-based learning. And the second example will be around how can we use Star Wars, in particular a computer game about Star Wars, to support thematic and project-based learning. The final video in this series will just point you in the direction of further examples and further resources around commercially available off-the-shelf games and the types of games that you might think about using in your classroom to support thematic and project-based learning. Just like in Module 1, at the end of each video I'm going to be setting you a short thing to think about, and at the end of the module there will also be an interactive Padlet page where we'll be encouraging you to share your thoughts, share your ideas about thematic learning and to get you thinking about how you might use it in the classroom. Also, just like Module 1, as well as having the online discussion forum where you can ask questions and debate with other course participants and the moderators, we're also going to be encouraging you to use the hashtag GamesCourse on both Twitter and Facebook to help bind some of the conversation together. Really looking forward to seeing you in the next video where we're going to be having an introduction to thematic learning and project-based learning. See you then.